All right. Alan, personal box of ice, box number 7. John Bull picked it for him. G Dog. Oh. Alan, you need to eat me a grape snowball. I need some refreshment, and I can't get to it. Philip Forsberg, Sub Zero. One of my favorite refreshing items of all time. Grape shaved ice. $12.99. Jimmel Smith. Old Jimmel. Tyler Bertuzzi to $9.99. All your hits are on this side. That's common. Ooh, exquisite. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Daniel Sedin to $149. Exquisite base. Next. Brock McGinn to $4.99. That is an update from last year. Brock McGinn rookie auto to $4.99. And oh, numbered to 99. Zach Werenski. John Bull picked it to 99. Zach Werenski, rookie. There you have it.